Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the footprint chart on GoCharting in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on GoCharting.com. Afterwards, you need to sign in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you just have to search for the symbol of that particular chart which you want to open and on which you want to set up the footprint chart. Now, when the chart is opened in front of you, it is going to look something like this. Now, when you are here on this page, you just have to simply locate the chart type selector. So it's usually available over here on the top with the name charts. When you click on this drop down menu, you are going to see a bunch of different types of charts that you can basically click on, and then you can basically change them. So among the given options, you just have to simply look for the option of footprint chart. So as soon as you select it, it is going to switch your standard candlesticks or bar candle into the footprint based order flow display. So once enabled, you can customize the footprint chart according to your strategy. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.